Hello guys, and thank you for purchasing Cyber Glitch Transition Pack made by Motionist from Video Hive. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install this transition pack and how you can use it inside DaVinci Resolve. By downloading this pack from Video Hive, what you will get is these four folders. One, transitions, which you can find the macros inside the transition. The help folder, which you can find this video tutorial plus how to install the text file, and sound effects are here to enhance your transitions, and catalogs are here. You can go over all the transitions all together. To install this transition pack, I've made a text file. By opening it, you can see the instruction how you can install it. If you're a Windows user, here is the destination that you need to paste the folder, and if you're a Mac user, you can use this direction. I am a Mac user, so I'm going to open the transitions, right click on Motionist folder, hit copy, go to the Go menu and press down Option key, go to Library. Then I'll go to Application Support, Blackmagic Design, DaVinci Resolve, Fusion, and then I'll go to Templates, Edit, Transitions, and paste the Motionist folder here, which I've already done. By doing that, you're able to see the Motionist transitions inside DaVinci software. I've opened the DaVinci software here to show you how you can use this transition inside DaVinci Resolve. I made two timelines, one vertical, another one is horizontal. These transitions are resizable and doesn't matter which kind of frame are you using. Plus, you can change the duration of these transitions. So, for sake of showing this, I made a vertical and horizontal timeline both. I'll go to vertical first, then I'll go to edit page. Here I can go to effect, and then from toolbox, video transitions, I can find Motionist. By clicking Motionist, I'm able to see all these transitions. I can hover over them and see how they look. I'm gonna choose one of them and drag and drop between my clips. I can change the duration of these transitions. And all the transitions come with a color setting on them. And if you want to change it, you can select the transition. From right side, go to Inspector menu. And then on Transition, you can find Effect Cyber Glitch 11 and the glitch color underneath. If I leave the time here, you can see I can change the color of the glitch to match the scene. Alright, now I can hit the play button and see how my transition is working. Then I can go to Media Pool and select the horizontal and then do the same procedure for the next one. Choose another one. Let me select this one. This one is a little bit tricky. I want to explain something to you. I'm gonna choose Cyber Glitch 22 and bring it down here. Make my timeline a little bit bigger. Change the duration of this transition a little bit down to show you can do that. All right, if I play it, I know this transition should look much better than this. Here's the trick. I don't know why, but inside DaVinci Resolve, some of the transition doesn't load all the items inside them immediately. I mean that if you save this image in your mind, and if I right click on the transition and go to Open in Fusion, I can see these triangles much better. And then I'll go back here, boom, the render is here. I don't know why this problem is coming up. I searched it, but I couldn't find. I think this is a bug. I don't know. But anyway, don't be worried. I'm gonna choose another one. Let's say this one is good. And bring it down. And I know the displacement map on this transition is not working well. So what I need to do, again, I need to right click on the transition, open in Fusion, just play a little bit, and that's it. And then I'll go back to the edit page. It's like it loaded fully. So this is the trick. Some of the transitions here may don't look very similar to the catalog or to the presentation. That's because my DaVinci Resolve does not load them properly. So I need to right click on the transition, go to the Fusion, play it inside the Fusion, stop it, and then go back to edit page, and my transition is fixed. So have this in your mind in any case that these transitions do the same behavior inside your software. And in my experience, when I wanted to make the video promo for this item pack, first I edit all the cuts, then put the transition between them, and then right click on every individual transitions. I went to Fusion page, play them, and then came back to the edit page. So I was sure all the transitions are working as they're meant to be. Okay, I hope you guys are enjoying this transition pack, and if you have any ideas or any comment, I would be more happy to see that and apply it in the next coming item or update this item for you. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you guys around.